All right, we're finally jumping back on Chris's 72 Imperial. Working on it a little bit last week. Just was detailing out some bolts and stuff. Nothing, nothing major. But today we get into the bread and butter. All right, got our valley pan off. Everything's clear in here. Going to start cleaning up that deck real quick. Cylinders. Get ready to put our new head gaskets on. Start torquing down our heads, everything. But looking good. Moving forward. All right, cleaned up our deck here on the passenger side. Gonna get ready to set the head on here and bolt her down. All right, head's all located. Time to bolt this baby down. All right, our passenger side head has been torqued on. Starting to get our rockers situated. Get that all wrapped up this evening before we go home. Might even gingerly slide our exhaust manifold into place. But first things first, we're going to tighten up these rockers, get them where they need to go, and move forward. Rockers are on. Exhaust manifold's placed. We'll tighten that baby up tomorrow. We'll also put the valve cover on this side tomorrow. That's on that side. Then we do our valley pan. And away we go.